Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I missed this past Monday. I'm a little late on this one. But anyways, in this video, we're gonna start out with working on the rail buggy. You guys haven't seen much content on this yet, but I've got some plans for it. So right now, there is transmission fluid, and actually it's not transmission fluid, it's gear oil that's in these transmissions. There's gear oil leaking out of the transmission. I'll show you on the ground. So you can see right there, that to me looks like gear oil coming from the transmission. Now what it looks like to me is it's coming out of where the axle seals are on the sides. Right there. It looks like it's coming out of there and running down to the middle of the transmission and dripping out of the bottom. Now, I really don't know what condition this transmission's in. It's been running good for years, but I have a feeling it was very, very much so beat on before I got it, because this thing was like a woods buggy. So anyway, we have some new axle seals and the little, I don't know what it's called, but the little seal that goes like in the middle of where the axle seal goes. So I will link those in the description below if you guys are looking for them. I got them from Dune Buggy Warehouse, I think that's where I got it. But anyway, we're going to start by draining the transmission fluid or gear oil out of this thing. That's right in the bottom middle. So that is right there. I'm pretty sure that is a 17 millimeter hex head. So we'll drain that out. Then I'm going to start taking the axles out. One thing I'm a little concerned about is the fill plug. It is right there on the side. Now I don't have an Allen wrench that big. I just have this socket, and that kind of interferes with the frame. So I might, if I can't get that, I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow and grab a 17 millimeter Allen wrench from work and do that. Side note, I've had some of you ask about the tires. These are Mickey Thompson's. They are here is the size. So yes, they are pretty wide. I think they're like 13 or 15. Well, I can't remember what the wheels are. I think the wheels might only be 10 wide, but those Mickey Thompsons are way wider, obviously. So anyway, let's get under here and let's go ahead and drain the gear oil out, or what is left in there. Honestly, there's probably not much left in there. Well, if it's still leaking out, there should be a good amount. But anyway, let's get that done. I got everything drained out. I didn't really show you that because I was trying to charge the mic up, but didn't really show you that. I just took that drain plug out and let it all drain, or cut Allen wrench worked perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to jack the back of the rail buggy up some so I can rotate the tires. And you see all those Allen bolts in there? Let me brighten this up some. All the Allen bolts around the axle boot right there. We're gonna take all those out, slide the axle out. I'm pretty sure we don't have to take anything else apart to actually get the axle out. I really hope not. But yeah, so we're gonna take that apart, both sides, get the axle out, and then we'll be right there at the seals. So here is one of your seals that you need to get when you order your axle seals. Hold on. Right here they are. Here's the new one, here's the old one. You just wanna, once you take the axle out, pop that off. There will probably be some fluid coming out, so make sure you can wipe that. Okay, now there is a little snap ring in here somewhere. All right, there is the snap ring. All right guys, we got that out. Another circlip or snap ring, whatever you want to call it, came out. I don't really know where it came from. I didn't know there were supposed to be two of them in there, but anyway. Now we're gonna take these Phillips head screws out to get to our actual axle seal. Come off. All right guys, so now back in there is your axle seal. And we're gonna try to get that out now. All right, so here is our old one. Here is our new one. Part number. All right guys, so before I put anything back in that side, I am going to go ahead and take apart the other side real quick, just because I don't really know where that second snap ring came from and if it's even supposed to be in there. So I'm gonna take you to the other side and just let you watch me do that side. So I don't know if this is actually a snap ring. It just sits on that back side there. So I don't even know if you see that. It just sits on that back side there. So I guess when I put it back together, I'm just gonna kind of put it in there just how it is right there. All right guys, so just so you guys know, not every video is just smooth and goes as planned. So I jumped over to the other side and I stripped out one of the axle bolts. I got it out with an easy out. Then it was a pain to get that little turquoise seal out. I got that out. And I didn't record any of this because I was getting pretty frustrated. But anyway, there's that little metal ring that has Phillip head screws that that comes out before you take the actual axle seal out. Stripped one of those screws out. They were all just super brittle and just disgusting. So once I got that out, that little metal ring was not coming out because there was just dirt and grime caked in there. So there's that. There's pieces of it. So that just went haywire. That just became a disaster really quickly. So we're gonna have to put a hold on this video. I'm gonna have to order some more parts, replacements for those, which I guess is a good thing because then you guys will know what to do when yours does this. Hopefully it doesn't, because the freaking driver's side came out super easy. I did watch another video on this and some guys, his happened just like mine did. It was destroyed by the time it got out and he had some replacement parts, but anyway, I'm gonna have to source some of those parts. So right now what I'm gonna do is jump over to another video I'm kind of working on, just a filler video of my Harley. I'm just gonna go take a nice little ride on that, bring you guys along. So if you're interested in any of that content, go ahead and check out the last video I posted before this one, I assume is how it's gonna work out. And leave a like and a comment for me. I'll see you guys on the rail buggy back in about 2 seconds. All right, we're back. We got the parts we need. I didn't pull them out yet, not very prepared, but so we got these, which replace your little metal things. So we're gonna put, or I'll put those in the description below. I got them from Dude and Buggy Warehouse. I ordered them. They come very quickly. But anyway, we're gonna jump back into it. We got these axle seals. We're gonna go ahead and install them. I just have a big socket I'm gonna use to tap it into place. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, now we're gonna put our new pieces in. That's all it is. Now we've got our Phillips head screws, and they sent me only two of these little metal washer things. It's probably supposed to be 4, but I'm not really worried about it because there was nothing like that on the original design. I did put a little bit of blue Loctite on there, since these are just Phillips heads and they're hard to get real tight. All right, let's put this piece back on that we took off. It had this little ring behind it, maybe as like a spacer, so I'm just gonna put that back in there. All right, let's put our cap back on. All right guys, now we are ready for our axle. Forgot to press record, but we're getting the axle back in. All right guys, let's fill it with this. Alright guys, so I forgot to record an outro for this video, but that was a fairly easy thing to do aside from some of the pieces that we needed to stop halfway through the video and replace. But very easy. So I hope this helps you get some of you guys out. I hope this entertained some of you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If I helped you or you enjoyed watching, go ahead and leave a like and comment down below, and please subscribe to me. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all you guys. So I will catch you in the next one.